The poetry of Hafez is an enchanted garden, a realm of fragrance, song, and the eternal, where every blossom unfolds the secret of our existence. Every bird gives voice to the longing of our soul, and every tree offers moments of reverie and remembrance under its generous shade. This course is an invitation to the enchanted garden of Hafez, where we can experience his poetry as a living presence in moments of awe, mystery, and wonder. The guided tour of Hafez's poem moves in 5 sessions, each devoted to a central theme or symbol in his poetry. We begin by exploring Himma, for which there is no English equivalent, which is the summoning of the divine, when the divine forces summon us and remind us of our purpose. Then we move to another central theme, which is the rend. Hafez calls himself a rend. We will explore to see what it means to be a rend and how a rend moves from the mask of the persona to the truth of personhood. We will then encounter one of the key figures in Hafez's poetry, namely the Sabi, or the cupbearer, and the gift of wine, which is the remedies and the reminders of the sacred. Hafez takes us on many of his night sea journeys and shows us his trials, tribulations that become forces behind his transformations. This is also part of our exploration. And finally, we will know Ishq, or love, the way Hafez looks at it. Not as a human emotion, but as the primordial force behind creation. So may our paths cross in the garden of Hafez, and I look forward to walking this garden with you, because every time I walk this garden, I discover new corners.